Now let's learn about loops in Swift. We're going to start off with for loop in Swift. For loops in Swift are used to iterate over a sequence of values such as an array, dictionary, or range. For example, the following code iterates over an array of numbers and prints each number to the console. So we have the var numbers as an array and using for number. So basically, number represent each numbers inside the numbers array. So after that, we're gonna print number, which is gonna print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And while loop in Swift. While loops in Swift are used to repeat a block of code until a condition is met. For example, the following code prints the number from 1 to 10, 1 per line. Challenge question number 3. So design an array that stores numbers from 1 through 5 and make a for loop that prints the numbers. Declare a new integer variable that value should be 1 and make a while loop if the integer adds up to 5, then print liftoff. Let's make our for loop. So we're going to first declare our array numbers and write 1 through 3, 4, 5. So we have an array of numbers that has 1 through 5. Let's make a for loop for number in numbers, print number. So in this for loop, since number is basically each component of this array, so it's gonna run through the code 5 times since we have this array with 5 elements. So it's gonna print each numbers like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, since number equals to every single element in this array. Now let's make a while loop. Let's make var number, and which is integer, equals to 1. And while number is less or equal to 5, we're gonna do print, not print, the number plus 1, and then once that reaches, we're gonna write liftoff. Since in this while loop, our number is 1, and while it's going through, it's gonna add 1 to number. So it's basically, while this for loop is going, it's gonna start at 1 and then keep add up to 5. And once it adds up to 5, you're gonna print liftoff. Yep, so this is your answer explanation for a challenge question. If you have any questions, I know for loop and while loop is sometimes hard to understand. So if you have any questions, just write a comments down below and see you in the next one.